Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today topic is about how does a plant transport water, minerals and food by their own. Come let's get into the video. Basically, we all know that green plants make their own food by the process called as photosynthesis. They use carbon dioxide and water to make their food. Carbon dioxide from the atmosphere enters the leaves through the stomata. Water and minerals are absorbed from the soil by the roots and it to be carried to the leaves and other part of the plant. We know that water and minerals absorbed by the roots are transported up to the leaves, and leaves prepare their food and transport it to other parts of the plant. In higher multicellular plants, transport is carried out by the special conducting tissues. They are xylem and phloem. They are also called as vascular tissues or vascular bundles. The cells of xylem and phloem forms a long tube for the transportation of material to all parts of the plant. These vascular tissues extended from the root tip to the shoot tip of the plants. The root tip in the sense it is present below the soil and shoot tip is above the soil. Next topic is xylem. Xylem is a complex conducting tissue. It is made up of four types of cell: vessels, tracheids, xylem parenchyma and xylem fibers. Basically, we know that xylem transport water. The cells of xylems are thick-walled. They form a tube-like passage for conduction of water. Let us discuss in detail about vessels, tracheids, xylem parenchyma and xylem fibers. Vessels are the long tube-like structure. They transport water laterally and vertically upwards. Tracheids are the long and narrow cells. These are tapered at both ends. They help in upward conduction of water and provides mechanical support. Xylem fibers are the long and narrow sclerenchymatous cells and they are tapered at both ends. They also provide the mechanical support. Xylem parenchyma are the living cells. They store the food. They have a thin cell wall. They also help in conduction of water. The next topic is about phloem. Phloem is also a complex conducting tissue. It is made up of four types of cells: sieve tubes, companion cell, phloem parenchyma and phloem fiber. The video tells about how does the plant prepare their own food by utilization of sunlight, water, carbon dioxide. Plants utilizes the carbon dioxide from the atmosphere and leaves the oxygen to the atmosphere itself. This is how the plants respire. As I said previously, leaves prepare their own food and they transported it back to all parts of the plant. Let us discuss in detail about sieve tubes, companion cells, phloem fibers and phloem parenchyma. Firstly, sieve tubes. As the name indicates, these are the tube-like structure. They are made up of elongated and thin walls. These are joined end to end. The end walls are perforated. Perforated in the sense they have a porous. These are called as sieve plates and they conduct food. Companion cells. These are the elongated thin walled cells. They are placed adjacent to the sieve tubes and are connected to them by the porous. They also helps in conduction of food material. Then phloem fibers. Phloem fibers are thick-walled, spindle-shaped. Dead cells are made up of sclerenchymatous fiber. They give mechanical strength to plants. Then phloem parenchyma. These are the thin-walled parenchyma cells. They usually stores the food. If you guys like my video, please share and subscribe to my channel. I'll come back with an informative video in upcoming days. Thank you for watching.